Hey guys, getting a free domain and free hosting account is not that difficult. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get a free domain name and a free hosting account. So let's get started. We need to go to our browser. Let's get a domain first. So let's go to my best website, which is freenam.com. We're getting a domain over here. So let's search for clothes city. Alright, so check availability. Alright, so which one do you want to go for? .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, .gq. For my video, I'm going for .ml. I love this. Get it now. Alright, let's click checkout. I'm going for 12 months. And click continue. Check this box and click complete order. Alright, we just got our free domain. Let's check it out. Go to services, my domains, click here. Okay, this is the domain we just got for free. So the next step is to get a free hosting account. So let's go to this website, freehost.com. Enter. Alright, so if you don't have an account in this website, you can click register. But as I do have an account here, I'm just going to click login. And I'm going to type my email. And the password. Let me log in. So once you're here, just click create new account here. Alright, so this website is giving you the name servers that you can copy it and go and paste it where you just got your free domain. So we are going to pick this name server, copy and go back to Freenam. Go to the domain that we just got, which is Glosily. Click manage domain. And click management tools, name servers, use custom name servers and paste it over here. Paste it down here and then just change 1 to 2 and click change name servers. So once you're done here, then go back to this website and click custom domain. So from here you're going to type your domain name, which is, let's go and pick it from here. Let's just grab it from here, copy and paste it right here and click OK. So here you just have to make sure if you're not a robot. So let's just click the image of this motor bicycle and click next. Verify. Okay, voila, our account has been created successfully. As you can see, our domain is over here. So now you can click manage. I really love this website because it's very faster than Infinity Free because my personal working experience, but I figured out this website not long ago. When I try, I was like, I just love this website. Okay, so from here we just have to click on control panel. Okay, I approve. Thanks, the panel will now load. So let's wait for a second. So voila, we are inside our C panel. So the next thing we need to do here is to install WordPress. So where can we install WordPress? We need to find Softaculous app installer. Click on it. Okay, now as you can see, this is WordPress. We can now install WordPress. Let's click install. Okay, from here, this is our domain name website. You can see here. Site's name, we can give it store. Site description, I want to show you something. You will be getting an error over here. Some people, they don't really add a site description in their website. Assuming we don't have it, so here I'll leave it as a default. I'll change the password to strong password. Scroll down. So from here you can select any theme you want for your website. In my case, I don't want to select any theme here. I'll just click on install. As I told you, when you don't have a site description, you are going to get an error. So this is the message. You feel site description is required and must be filled out. So you need to give it site description. So let's give it ebook for sale. So let's scroll down and click install now. So website is installing. Okay guys, I'm going to pause this video. I will meet you there once it's done. So congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So what we need to do now, we need to access this link. Just click it. It's going to take us to our website. So that's it. Hello world, this is our website. This is how it looks like for now, because we did not install any other theme. This is how it looks like by default. So we need to log in to our website. Let's log in with the name that we just created with this account. So voila, welcome to WordPress dashboard. This is our WordPress dashboard, how it looks like for now, because we did not install any plugin, any theme on it. So this is how it looks like. So that's it guys, this is how to get a free domain and free hosting account, everything for free. So any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as usual and share it with your friends. Thank you and see you in the next video.